Prologue before the probe. Welcome to another episode of Probe DD, where we probe right into the problem. It's May 1st, 2025, day 32 of dry docking. Today's highlight, the DNV Class Survey, including the Blackout Test and automatic generator startup. But the power management system isn't cooperating. We experience more blackouts than necessary, and every trip takes a toll on our electronics.
So what are you doing now? Reset. Reset.
I was playing before and I blocked the start command.
Это технician, он нам настраивает новую систему, я вот он вчера там подключал. Я не...
Sudden power loss, voltage drops, frequency instability. In this episode, we'll see exactly why power electronics hate poor power quality. 4 devices were damaged. First, the frequency transducer of DG1. Second, Framo Power Pack 4's power transducer. Third, the steam pressure instrument panel at ECR console. And fourth, a critical one,
Can you press this?
the boiler's high water level trip amplifier. That last one is non-negotiable. We need steam before sailing in 3 days.
I proved it manually now.
Why?
I have to see why it didn't send it by itself, this close command.
Now that the DNV survey is complete, we shift our attention to the oil-fired boiler. A general fault shows up on the IAS alarm page. The details? They're at the boiler main control panel. The alarm reads, low water level. Let's probe into it.
I saw the name immediately. I knew this is the guy. Again.
See you next time, mate.
See you. Thank you very much.
Bye.